नंदन त्रिभुवने करे जय चरणनंदन.
Very nice, Janvi. Very good. Who wants to practice now?
Can Ramachandra?
Yes, you both. Do you both want to do it together?
You want to do it? Yeah, sure. Together? Okay. Sure, Mataji.
Okay.
Jaya Jaya Jagannath Sachidananda Tribhuvane Koreja Charana Vandan Neelachanga Chakra Gada Padmadhar Nadiya Nagare Dandaka Mandalukar Keho Bole Pura Bete Ravana Badhila Golokera Vaibhav Lila Prakash Lila Shri Radha Bhave Begora Avatar Hare Krishna Nama Gaura Korila Prachar Vasudeva Gosha Bole Kori Jada Hat Jai Gaura Shri Krishna Sai Jagannath
Jaya Jaya.
Jaya Jaya Jagannath Sachidananda Tribhuvane Korija Charanavandan.
Very nice. Very nice. Vikhya, do you want to go?
Not yet, Mataji.
No?
Not yet.
You want me to say and you want to repeat? Or
Okay, Mataji.
Adarsh, do you also want to do that? Hare, who is Harita? Hare Krishna Harita.
Hare Krishna Mataji. I just joined to listen.
Okay, Hare Krishna Mataji. Yeah.
Yeah.
No problem, Mataji.
Yes.
Hare. I thought some girl has joined. No problem. Okay. Is Adarsh there? Yes. So Adarsh and Vikhya, do you both want to do that? Like
Sure,
I
Mataji.
and you both can repeat?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we will move to a new song. Jaya Jaya Jagannath Sachidananda
Jaya 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 Jagannath Sachidanandan
Tribhuvana Korejar Charana Vandan.
Tribhuvana Korejar Charana Vandan.
You're getting it right, Adarsh?
Yes.
I'm going today a little bit fast because we have already done it. But for the next song, we will take time and we'll do it slowly. Is that okay?
Okay.
Neelachale Shankha Chakra Gada Padmadhar
Neelachale Shankha Chakra Gada Padmadhar
Nadiya Nagare Dandaka Mandalukar.
Nadiya Nagare Dandaka Mandalukar.
Are you getting it, Adarsh? Or it's going little fast?
I'm getting it.
Okay. के हो बोले पूरा बेते रावण बधिला
के हो बोले पूरा बेते रावण बधिला
गोलोकेर वैभव लीला प्रकाश कोरिला
गोलोकेर वैभव लीला प्रकाश कोरिला
श्री राधार भावे बेगोरा अवतार
श्री राधार भावे बेगोरा अवतार
हरे कृष्ण नाम गौरा कोरिलो प्रचार
हरे कृष्ण नाम गौर कोरिला प्रचार
वासुदेव घोष बोले कोरी जोड़ा हाथ
वासुदेव घोष बोले कोरी जोड़ हाथ
से गौरा से कृष्ण से जगन्नाथ
जय गौरा जय कृष्ण जय जगन्नाथ.
Yes, you both want to repeat this? Jaya Jaya
जय जगन्नाथ
Sachidanand
सच्चिदानंदन त्रिभुवन कोरेजा चरण वंदन.
Got this? Each
Yes.
line has the different tune. This one different, second and third different, fourth and fifth is like second and third only. It's a nice small song, bhajan, right? Song. So shall we move to a new one?
Yes,
So,
Mataji.
so which one you want to go with? Like we have, I think Vikhyat had suggested, right? Nityananda Ashtakam is there, that we have that option. Or we have even Nandanashtakam is there. Or we even have this Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kori. Have you learned this already? Anyone can tell me?
Mataji.
No, right? Krishna Chaitanya, do you remember? Have you done this before?
No.
Okay. And then we have this one also. So which one you all want to do? Or we have Nityananda Ashtakam also. I think Vikhyat was interested in that, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Then which one shall we do? We can vote. This one is also simple because it's Adarsh's first day today. Because if we take Nityananda Ashtakam, it's a little bit hard. Ashtakams are a little bit with difficult words, right?
Yeah, I like this one too. Simple one.
This one, right? Are you okay with this, Vikya?
Oh, yeah, sure, Mataji.
Okay. So we will do this. We will learn this one. This is by Bhakti Vinod Thakur. And this is Sharanagati song. We will go to the translation first. So you can see here the translations are combined, first and second, third and fourth. Anyone wants to, Adarsh, you want to read the translation? Can you see, or it's very small? Is it very small for you to read?
No, I can see it.
Okay, first and second.
Out of compassion for the fallen souls, Sri Krishna Chaitanya came to this world with his personal associates and divine abode
Well,
to
I
teach
can't do.
Saranagati, the goal of surrender.
Which one am I gonna read?
Surrender to the Almighty Godhead and to freely distribute ecstatic love of God, which is ordinarily very difficult to obtain. This Saranagati is the very life of the true devotee.
Yeah. So this is the translation for first and second. So we will.
Mataji, this is Shanavi. Can I read?
Want to read? Okay, we will read the complete translation. Go ahead, Janvi.
Mataji, can you make it a little? Yeah, it's small.
Is it okay? Sorry. Is it
The
okay?
arts of
The way
Sharanagati.
of Sharanagati.
A little is small sound, Mataji. Can you little bit? Yeah,
Is it
now it's okay.
The ways of Saranagati and my are humility, dedication to the self, acceptance of the Lord has
One's only
only maintainer, faith that Krishna will surely protect execution of those acts favorable to pure devotion and renunciation of conduct adverse to pure devotion.
Very good. Who wants to read the fifth one? Anyone wants to read the fifth one?
I can, Mataji.
Yes, go ahead.
The youthful son of Nanda Maharaj, Sri Krishna, hears the prayers of any. Mataji, could you go over it like a little bit?
Sorry. Here's the prayers of
Anyone who takes refuge in him by the sixfold practice.
very good. 6th and 7th. Who wants to read?
Can Krishna Chaitanya go?
Yes, go ahead, Krishna.
Bhakti Vinodha places a straw between his teeth, prostrates himself before. I can't see the whole thing.
Yeah.
The two Goswamis, Sri Rupa and Sri Sanatana, and claps their lotus feet with his hands. I am certainly the lowest
Of men.
of men.
Can you read?
Of men, he tells them weeping, but please make me the best of men by teaching the ways of Sharanagati.
Yes. So what is meant by Sharanagati?
Surrender.
Surrender.
Total complete surrender. And there are also ways of Sharanagati
Surrender.
mentioned here. In 3rd and 4th verse, ways of Sharanagati are mentioned. Humility, dedication of the self, acceptance of the Lord as one's only maintainer, faith that Krishna will surely protect, execution of only those acts favorable to, I think, pure devotion, right? Pure devotion, and renunciation of conduct of adverse to pure devotion.
Mataji, what does dedication of the self mean?
I was gonna ask.
Dedication of,
The self.
you should dedicate yourself. Where is it?
Like it's the second one.
Dedication
Yeah.
of the self. Yeah, you should dedicate yourself
To the Lord.
to the Lord. Yes, that is
Okay.
also one way of Sharanagati. Humility is one way of Sharanagati.
Okay,
We
Mataji.
should accept Lord as our only maintainer. Only Krishna is the only maintainer. And we should have faith that Krishna will definitely protect us. And the execution of only those acts. We should execute only those activities that are favorable to pure devotion. And we should renounce all those activities that are adverse to pure devotion. These are the ways mentioned here by Bhakti Vinod Thakur. It's a very nice, beautiful song actually. So please repeat, we will get familiar with the words. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu,
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu,
Vivedoya Kori,
Shivedoya Kori,
Swaparshada,
Swaparshada,
Pashada,
Swaparshada,
Swaparshada,
Sviya Dhama,
Swiyadhama,
Saha Avatari.
Saha Avatari.
Yes. Everyone got the words? These are actually very
Yes,
simple
Mataji.
words, right? There is one more song that starts with Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu. You all remember?
Yeah, this one.
Which one?
The Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Karam.
Yes. I think we learned that already, right?
I wasn't here for that one, Mataji, but I
Maybe Krishna Chaitanya can say if we learned this one. Or we can learn that after this. If you all are okay. Okay. Just give me a minute, okay? Yeah, sorry. So it goes like this. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Doya Kori. Can you all sing?
Shri Krishna
Chaitanya
Prabhu Jiva Kori.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Doya Kori.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jivedaya Kori.
Swaparshada Sviya Dhama Saha Avatari. स्वपार्षदस्यधाम सहवतरी Yeah, so here actually it's avatari. I think first I by mistake said avatari, but there is no line over A. So it's avatari. Okay. Again we will sing Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kori.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kori.
Swaparshada Sviya Dhama Saha Avatari. You all got it?
Yes, Mataji.
Can we do the first line again, Mataji? Like,
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kori.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kori. Thank you, Mataji.
Parshada Sviya Dhama Saha Avatari.
Swaparshada Sviya Dhama Sahavatari.
Got it? Hare
Yes,
Krishna.
Mataji. Thank you,
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna. I think it's Shreya, right?
Yes, Mataji. I was a little busy. Sorry, I joined late.
That's fine. That's fine. Glad you joined. Hare Krishna. So we are learning this new song. So you heard this tune, right, Shreya?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah. Or I will say it again, okay, for you. So you all again repeat. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kori.
Shri Krishna
Chaitanya Prabhu
Swaparshada Sviya Dhama Sahavatari. You all want to sing one by one? Who wants to go first?
And Krishna, then you go first.
Oh, go ahead, Krishna.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kori. Swaparshada Sviya Dhama Saha Avatari.
Yes, very good.
Can Vikyat try, Mataji?
Yes, Vikyat.
Can Akshita also?
Yeah, after Vikyat, Yakshita, you go ahead, okay? Go
Shri
ahead.
Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kori. Swaparshada Sviya Dhama Saha Avatari.
Yes, you're getting it. Very nice. Akshita, you want to go, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Go ahead.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jiva Daya Kori. Swaparshada Sviya Dhama Sahavatari.
Very good. It's Avatari, okay? Avatari.
Avatari. Okay, thank you, Mataji. Mataji, can I say this is Janavi?
Yes, Janvi, go ahead.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kori.
Swaparshada Sviya Dhama Saha Avatari.
Yes, very good, Janvi.
And Ramachandra said,
Yes, Ramachandra. I couldn't see you. You are a little away now from camera. So, yes, Now I can see.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Kori Swapashada Swiyadama Saha Avatari.
Yes. Very nice. Who wants to sing next? Others, do you want to sing? Want to try?
Okay, I'll try.
Yes.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jivedoya Kori Swapashada Swiyadhama Savatari.
Yes. Very good. Shreya, you want to sing?
I can try, Mataji.
Yes, go ahead.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Doya Kori Swapasada Siyadatma Saha Avatari.
Yes. You all are almost there. See, we are going to repeat the same one again for rest of the verses. So definitely you will get it. But now also you are doing very good. It's new one, so it takes time to do it perfectly, right? But you're all doing it very nicely. Who did not sing? Everyone got a chance? Mataji, any one of you wanted to sing? Or we'll move to the next one. Again, shall we sing this once? Just one more time we will sing, okay? Please repeat. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Doya Kori
Shri Krishna
Swaparshada Swiyadhama Saha Avatari. Very good. So we already read the translation of second one also, right? So please repeat.
Hare Krishna Mataji, sorry to interrupt. Can you sing the verse just now what you have sung?
The first one.
Yeah.
Okay. Again?
No, can I sing it?
Oh yeah. Please go ahead, Mataji.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Doya Kori Swaparshada Swiyadama Saha Avatari.
Yes. Thank you, Mataji. Yeah. So next one, shall we sing? Shall we learn the second one?
Sure, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
So please repeat. Atyanta Durlabha. Atyanta Durlabha.
Atyanta Durlabha.
Prema Kori Bare Dana.
Prema Kori Bare Dana.
Prema Kori Bare Dana.
Prema Kori Bare Dana.
Shikhaya Sharanagati.
Shikhaya Sharanagati.
Shikhaya Sharanagati.
Shikhaya Sharanagati.
Bhakatera Prana. Bhakatera
Prana.
Hare Krishna Sai Vedas.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So we are learning a new song. We are done with the first one.
Mataji, could you say it for me real quick? I can
Okay. You want to repeat? I will sing you repeat, okay?
Yes, Mataji.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jivedaya Kori
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jivadaya Kori
Swaparshada Siyadhama Saha Avatari.
Swaparashadasviyadamasavadari.
Yes, you got it.
Okay.
Very good. So next second one we will sing now. Please repeat
Okay.
the same tune. Okay. अत्यंत दुर्लभ प्रेम कोरिबारे दाना अत्यंत दुर्लभ प्रेम So this is Atyanta, okay? Vedas, can you say this? Atyanta. Sai Vedas. Atyanta.
Atyanta.
अत्यंत दुर्लभ प्रेम कोरिबारे दाना शिखाय शरणागति भक्तेर प्राणा शिखाय शरणागति. Can you sing? शिखाय Sai Vedas, yeah, from your system, echo is coming.
Vrinda beta, so much disturbance in your mic, not
Yeah,
able to hear beta.
I think Sai Vedas, from your system, lot of echo is coming. Mute.
Mataji,
Vrinda beta, not able to hear beta.
Now can you hear? Can you all hear me now?
Yeah.
Now clear beta.
So Sai Vedas, actually when you are unmute now, a lot of echo is coming from your system. Are you on the laptop or it's a phone or what is it?
Chromebook Mataji.
Oh, is there any other way to join from any other system? Is it possible?
Not right now, Mataji. I have not known. Mataji, I'll just stay muted.
And now I think it's fine, right? If I speak or still echo is coming.
I don't hear any echo, Mataji.
No, Mataji, it's fine.
Now I think it's fine. We'll try again, once again, okay? अत्यंत दुर्लभ प्रेम कोरिबारे दाना
अत्यंत दुर्लभ प्रेम कोरिबारे दाना
शिखाय शरणागति भक्तेर प्राण
शिखाय शरणागति भक्तेर प्राण.
This line goes little bit low, right? Shikhaya Sharanagati. Can you sing?
Shikhaya
शरणागति
Bhakatera Prana.
Bhakatera Prana.
Everyone got it right? You all can sing now one by one. Who wants to go first?
Can Akshita say Mataji?
Yes, go ahead, Akshita.
Atyanta durlabha prema koribare dana shikhaya sharanagati makatera prana.
Yes, very nice. Who wants to go next?
Thank you, Mataji.
Ramachandra go.
Yes, Ramachandran and Krishna Chaitanya. Go ahead.
अत्यंत दुर्लभ प्रेम कोरिबारे दाना शिखाय शरणागति भक्तेर प्राण.
Very good. Go ahead, Krishna Chaitanya.
अत्यंत दुर्लभ प्रेम कोरिबारे दाना शिखाय शरणागति भक्तेर prana.
Very good. Who wants to sing next?
Can we get try Mataji?
Yes, Vikyat, go ahead.
अत्यंत दुर्लभ प्रेम कोरिबारे दाना शिखाया शरणागति भक्तेर प्राण.
Yes, very good.
Mataji, can share that?
Yes, Shreya, go ahead.
अत्यंत दुर्लभ प्रेम कोरि बारे
अत्यंत दुर्लभ प्रेम
प्रेम कोरि बारे दान
Yes.
शिखाय शरणागति भक्तराने प्राण.
Bhaktatera prana. It's bhakta, right? But here they are separated. They want to fit it properly in that line, right? That's why it is bhakatera. Bhakatera prana.
भक्तेर प्राण.
Yes, very nice, Shreya. Adarsh, do you want to sing? Go ahead.
This is Janavi.
Yes, Janvi. Do you Adarsh, then can you wait, or you want to go now, and Janvi you can sing after Adarsh?
I'll wait.
You will wait, Adarsh?
Yes.
Okay, Janvi, go ahead.
अत्यंत दुर्लभ प्रेम कोरिबारे दाना शिखाय शरणागति भक्तेर प्राण.
Very good. Very nice. Go ahead, Adarsh.
अत्यंत दुर्लभ प्रेम कोरिबारे दाना शिखेय शरणागति भक्तरे प्राणा.
Shikhaya. This is
शिखाय
Shikhaya Sharanagati. Can you sing?
शिखाय शरणागति
Bhakatera prana.
भक्तेर प्रणाम.
Yes, very nice, Adarsh. Very good.
Thank you.
Sai Vedas, you didn't sing, right? Go ahead.
No, Mataji.
Go ahead.
I'll sing. Atayanta duralabha prema koribale dana Sikaya saranagati bhakatera prana.
Yes, very nice, Sai Vedas. You're getting it. First word is, what is this word?
Atyanta.
Atyanta. So don't take any, don't prolong it. Just say Atyanta Durlabha Prema. Can you see?
Atyanta durlabha prema koribale dana Sikaya saranagati bhakatera prana.
Yes, very good. All of you did very nice. See, we are getting better than the first time, right? Can you all realize that? Yeah, now you're even better with the second verse. Very good. You're all getting it nicely. So shall we move to the this thing, Agre Krona, that one? It's already 9.
Sure,
Continue it next time. Let me just open that song. 1 second. Just give me a minute. I think we completed 15, right? Oh, Mataji's, sorry, actually, I didn't ask. Anyone wanted to practice? Did I miss anyone? I'm so sorry. Asra also has joined separately?
Mataji, can I sing that word?
Yes, yes, Mataji. 1 second, I will share it. 1 minute. I'm so sorry, actually, I didn't ask. Yes, Mataji, please go.
Atyanta durlabha prema koribare dana Shikaya शरणागति बका तेरा प्राणा.
Yes. Nice, Mataji, singing it. Nice.
Vrinda
Sorry, the
Mataji,
tune might be different little bit.
No, no.
Vrinda Mataji, can I try?
Yes, Mataji. Go ahead, Mataji.
ಅತ್ಯಂತ ದುರ್ಲಭ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಕೋರಿ ಬಾರೆ ದಾನ. Mataji, not able to read.
Shikhaya Sharanagati. Shikhaya.
Mataji left.
Oh, maybe some problem.
I think her internet went down or something.
Yeah, maybe some problem. Okay. Anyone else wanted to sing? Did I miss anyone? Is that Asra Mataji? She wants to sing. I just want to ask everyone.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, I can sing. Can you help me with the tune, please? I was doing homework.
Okay. So the second one.
Yes, ma'am.
ಅತ್ಯಂತ ದುರ್ಲಭ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಕೊರಿಬಾರೆ ದಾನ.
ಅತ್ಯಂತ ದುರ್ಲಭ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಕೊರಿಬಾರೆ ದಾನ.
ಶಿಖಾಯ ಶರಣಾಗತಿ ಭಕತೇರ ಪ್ರಾಣ.
ಶಿಖಾಯ ಶರಣಾಗತಿ ಭಕತೇರ ಪ್ರಾಣ.
Very nice.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Danvat.
Mataji, you wanted to sing, right? Vrinda Gopika Mataji.
Ha.
This one, you got this one? Shikhaya Sharanagati.
Ha. Sikhaye Saranagati Pakatera Prana.
Yes.
The upper line, we have to stop there. Sarana, there is upper line. So we have to stop there. Sikhaya Saranagati Pakatera Prana.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mataji. Danvat.
Thank you. Yeah, I will share the next one. 1 second, just give me a minute. I think we completed 15, right? Anyone remembers? Okay, so this is completely new for others. Just let me. Yes. Can you all see?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. What we will do now, we'll practice from 11th because then it's taking time, right? I think we completed until 15th. You remember? Or 14th, I think. Can someone tell me?
We definitely did 14. We finished
14 beta.
14th,
we
right?
finished at 14.
15th we have not finished, right? I think we have.
Yeah, I think we're on 15, yeah.
So we will read the translation of 15th first. Shall we revise from 11th to 14th?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. Others, you hear this? Yes. Yeah, sorry. So we will revise 11 to 14. Who wants to go? Whoever there when we did this, please go ahead. Who wants to go?
Krishna Chaitanya, but from where?
11th. You can see, right? 11th?
Yes.
Okay.
Kridan tamantar swam samam bhavasyai pashupalabalai premna yashoda Pajuhava Krishnam Govinda Damo Dharamadhaveti.
Next, 12. Who wants to sing? Okay, do you want to repeat after me? Do you all
I can sing Mataji.
Go ahead, Vicky. Yes.
Yashodaya gadhamulukalena kokantapashena
Nibadhyamanam.
nibhadhyamanam rurodamandam navanita bhoji govinda damodar madhaveti.
Jai Ho.
Very good. Who wants to sing next one?
Mataji, can I 14?
14 you want to do? Okay.
Is this 14 we're doing right
Yeah,
now?
we have to do 13 first. Do you know the 13th one?
Okay.
Ramachandra go.
Okay, then you can go with this 14th, right? Sai Vedas? I think he said 14th only, right?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead, Ramachandra. 13th.
Nijanganekam kanakelilolam gopi gihitva navanitagolam amardayatpanitalena netre govinda damodara madhaveti.
Very nice, Ramachandra. Very good. Go ahead, Sai Vedas. 14th.
I'll sing.
Can I sing the 14th one?
Do you know others?
Can I say Mataji? I don't
Yes,
know.
yeah, I can do the 14th one.
Okay, go ahead. And if Sai Vedas, you can also do after him. No problem.
Gre gre gopavadukatamaabhaः sarve militva samavaya yoge punyani namani patanti nityam govinda dhamodara madhaveti.
Very nice, Adarsh. Do you know this one? Have you?
Is this Shri Krishna Damodara Stotram?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Govinda
I've done.
Damodara.
Yeah, like in this other class I go to, that I did the Shri Krishna Damodara Stotram in there too, but I only did the second verse.
Oh, I see. Okay, so this is the similar tune.
And I've memorized the second verse too.
Nice.
I can sing it if you want.
Okay, go ahead.
Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Jive Pibasvamritameta Govinda Dhamodara Madhaveti.
Okay,
Sorry, I just lost my breath a little at the end.
That's okay. You sang very nice.
Thank you.
Sai Vedas, do you also want to sing 14th? You wanted to sing, right?
Mati, is my echo still? Is my echo okay? Echo.
Yeah, it's echoing, but if you are willing, go ahead. No problem.
It's fine. Mataji.
Huh?
If it's echoing, right? It's fine.
Breaking
I'll
also.
do it from next different computer next time.
Yeah, it's also breaking actually now.
Can I try, Mataji?
Okay, Mataji. Try. Go ahead.
Thank you, Mataji. Gruhe gruhe go pavadu kadamba sarve militva samavapya yogam punyani nama nipatanti nityam govinda damo madhaveti. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Very nice. Akshita, did you want to sing 14th?
Yes, Mataji.
Go ahead.
Grihe grihe gopavadukam kadamba sarve militva samavaya yoge punyani namani patanti nityam govinda damodara madhaveti.
Very
Jai
good.
Ho.
Everyone got a chance, right? Anyone wants to sing?
Yes, Mataji.
You want to sing, Mataji?
Yes, I'm sorry, one second. I'm sorry for that, Mataji.
No problem.
Yeah. Grihe grihe gopavaduka kadam. Grihe grihe gopavadu kadamba sarve militva samavaya yoge punyani namani patanti nityam govinda damodara madhaveti.
Yeah.
Very nice, Mataji. Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji.
We will read the translation of 15th now, and then we'll learn the 15th one. Everyone got a chance to sing, right? Jahnavi, did you want to sing? And Asra?
Okay, Mataji. Which one?
14th?
14.
Yes.
गृहे गृहे गोपवधूकदम्बः सर्वे मिलित्वा समवाययोगे पुण्यानि नामानि पतन्ति नित्यं गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay, we'll read the translation of 15. Anyone wants to read?
Which one, Mataji?
15th.
Can I read, Mataji?
Yes, go ahead, go ahead.
His face is pleasing, and the flute burst at his lips is filled with divine sound. Amidst the cows, gopas, and gopis, he stands at the base of a coral tree. Govinda Damodara Madhava.
So how he is as a cowherd boy, it's mentioned here, right? His face is pleasing. The flute pursued at his lips is filled with divine sound. Amidst the cows, gopas, and gopis, he stands at the base of a coral tree. So it's just as a cowherd boy, his description is given. Very nice. So we will read the words. Mandara Male.
Mandara
Male.
Mandara Male.
Vadanabhiramam.
Vadanabhiramam.
Bimbadhare Purita. Bimbadhare Purita. Venunadam. Gogopa Gopi. Janamadhya Samstham. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Please repeat. Mandara Male Vadanabhiramam.
Mandara Male
Vadanabhiramam. Bimbadhare Purita Venunadam.
Bimbadhare Purita Venunadam.
Bimbadhare Purita Venunadam.
Bimbadhare Purita Venunadam.
Gogopa Gopi Janamadhya Samstham.
Gogopa Gopi Janamadhya
Samstham. Gogopa Gopi Janamadhya Samstham.
Gogopa Gopi Janamadhya Samstham.
गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति
गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Got this?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, you all can go now one by one.
Krishna Chaitanya.
Go ahead, Krishna Chaitanya.
Mandaramale vadanabhiramam bimbadhe puritavenunadam gogopagopi janamadhya samstam govinda damodara madhaveti.
Very good. Who wants to go?
Mataji, can Akshita say?
Yes, Akshita, go ahead.
Mandaramale vadanabiramam bimbadare puritavenunadam gogopagopi janamadhya samstam govinda damodara madhaveti. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Very nice.
Can I say Mataji Vikyas?
Yes, Ekya. Go ahead.
Mandaramale vadanabhiramam bimbadhare puritavenunadam gogopagopi janamadhya samstham govinda damodara madhaveti.
Very good, Ekya. Good.
And Ramachandra say?
Yes, Ramachandra. Go ahead.
Mandaramale vadanabhiramam bimbadare puritavenunadam gogopagopi janamadhya samstam govinda damodara madhaveti.
Very good. Who wants to go?
Can I sing it?
Yes. Who's Adarsh? Is that you?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Mandaramale vadane biramam bimbadare puritavenunadam gogopagopi janamadhya samstam govinda damodara madhaveti.
Very nice. Very nice. Sai Vedas, you have raised hand. Go ahead. Sai Vedas, are you singing?
Yes, but it's breaking up.
Oh.
Mandaramale vadanabhiramam bimbadare puritavenunadam gogopagopi janamadhya samstam govinda damodara madhaveti.
Yes. Very nice, Sai Vedas. Even though it was breaking, but I could make it that you were singing nicely. Who wants to go next? Anyone wants to go?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, Mataji, go ahead.
Mandaramale vadanabhiramam bimbadare puritavenunadam gogopagopi janamadhya samstam govinda damodara madhaveti.
Very nice, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Can I try, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
Mandaramale vadanabiharam bimbadare puritavenunadam gogopagopi janamadhya samstam govinda damodara madhaveti.
Very nice, Mataji. Thank you. Anyone else? I see someone named Neha has joined. Who's that?
Janavi, you want to sing, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. Yeah,
come.
Janavi, go ahead.
Mandaramale. Vadanabhiramam bimbadhare purita venunagam gopa gopi janamadhya samstam govindadam.
So, thank you, Janaki. Very nice. Anyone else wants to sing? Okay. So maybe we can end. We can stop here. It's 9:20. So as and how we are learning this song, new things we are getting to see, right? Previously, whatever verses we learned, each verse had someone who is calling these names Govinda, Damodara, Madhav, right? But here, its description is given who has a flute in his hand and who is in the middle of. Go means cow, Gopa means boys, cowherd boys, Gopis means gopi. So he's in the middle of them. And who is that? Govinda Damodara Madhav. So very beautifully it's written by Bila Mangal Thakur. So we will stop here because it's time. We will continue next week from 16th. And this song we will continue. Sorry, this one. Thank you all for joining. I'll see you all next week. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa.
Hare Krishna
Mataji,
Mataji, thank you for the
Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji, thank you.
Hare Krishna. Thank you.